My name's Nick Brown, I'm the development chef at the Black Swan Oldstead, and the dish I'm going to do today is raw beer-fed Dexter beef with fermented peppers, bone marrow and sweet chestnuts. Blend sweet chocolate peppers with 2% salt and leave until it's fermented. We also do the same with Alberto Locoto chilies, which are very hot. We take the two ferments and we blend them together to make a Tabasco-esque dressing for the beef. Then the beef is very, very local. It's fed 8 pints of beer every day. We just butcher it down and we slice it very thinly, and it's served raw, dressed in the fermented peppers. Then we take some frozen cured bone marrow and grate this over the top, and also some raw sweet chestnuts and grate them over as well, and that's it. So to plate the dish, we brush the beef in the fermented pepper, we put it on the plate, and then we grate over the smoked cured bone marrow and the sweet chestnuts. And there we have beer-fed Dexter beef served raw with fermented peppers, chestnuts and smoked bone marrow.
So today I'm going to cook local roe deer with smoked sloe puree and brassicas. So we'll start with the smoked sloe puree. So we take the foraged sloes, we forage loads of sloes this time of year, and we actually cook them out with Lapsang souchong tea. And then we hang the berries to get the juice, so we don't get all the tannins. And then we set that with gelen, with a little bit of sugar and a little bit of salt. So next is the local roe deer. So we have a gamekeeper called Nick Taylor, and he shoots us loads of roe deer, the smaller deers. We take this, trim it down, remove any sinew, and then we roast it in butter very lightly. So next up is the sprout leaf. So we actually take sprouts, char them on one side, slice them quite finely, and then we mix this with some venison shoulder, and we take the outer sprout leaves, blanch them for a minute, and stuff the sprout leaf with the charred sprouts and the venison shoulder. We then coat this in some roasted pumpkin seed oil, some roasted pumpkin seeds and some crispy kale. To serve the meat, we just slice the meat, glaze it in some black garlic which we've fermented for 3 months, and then we just make this into a paste with a little bit of vinegar, a little bit of salt. So first on the plate is the smoked sloe puree, the venison which we've coated in the black garlic paste, and then the sprout leaf with the pumpkin seeds. So there we have the local roe deer with smoked sloe puree and brassicas.